also back with Gwinnett Lawns and beautiful. It's getting ready to rain due to Hurricane Ian, Atlanta, Georgia. Today is September the 30th, 2022, and on today's video, we have a slight problem with the Echo PB9010T. So this has got about 128 hours. And let me show you what the problem is. See the swivel part here? This thing, it keeps locking up. See that space? It's not supposed to do that. And it gets really sticky. So sometimes it makes to where I can't even move this. It kind of gets frozen. Now, is this under warranty? And the answer to that would be yes, it's under warranty. Why am I fixing it myself? Well, this is my only backpack blower that I have. I don't care to use the handheld Husqvarna that's like 12 or 15 years old. I don't remember. So I can't have this sitting at the dealer for 2 weeks. So how do we fix this? It's very simple. This swivel part, this section right here, here's the factory Echo. Let me see. There's the part number. And I think the part was like, I think it's like 16 bucks. It took 2 weeks to get it. Apparently, there's a shortage of them. I wonder why. So anyway, that's what we're gonna do today. I've had it. I even had to resort to squirting a little WD-40 in there. And when we take this old swivel off, we'll look at it. I don't know why it's got a lot of play in it. There is an O-ring in there, so maybe something's wrong with the O-ring. I don't know. But WD-40 does work for a little while. But I don't want to have to, you shouldn't have to do that. So, yep. So let's get right to it and get this blower fixed so I don't have to deal with that defective swivel portion anymore. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this loose here. This is a 7mm. You can also use a regular slotted screwdriver you want, but I use a nut driver. Okay, here we go. There we go. So we got this out. Let's just set this aside. Oh, for those of you that want to know, this wire, please don't get rid of it, is the anti-static spring for the because the impeller makes a lot of static. All right, so now this is the worst part, is we have to, let me take this off. So loosen this. Just take this all the way off. All right, now, this is the worst part of this job, is trying to get these things right here to disengage, because there's really nothing to hold on. So let me, I remember I had a heck of a time assembling it, so look how loose this is. I don't know what causes that, but okay, so what I had to do was, because it's kind of chilly out here, I had to take my heat gun and I heat all the way around this circumference right here, and then you're able to rotate it off. Okay, so basically these two notches right here will line up here, and then as you turn it on, it'll draw it down like that. So this is the new one. See how there's no play in it at all? Just nice and smooth. And then here's the old one. It's got a considerable amount of play, and I don't, it's not damaged at all. It's just, it's no good. All right, so I remember when I got this blower, it was cool outside, and it was hard to put on. I had to do the same thing. So basically, I'm going to take the heat gun. There we go. Okay. That's probably good enough. I think it'll click 1, 2, 3, 4, like 4 times. So you saw how much easier that was when I used the heat gun. All right, so next, let's just keep. Okay, there we go. All right. So before I tighten that up, I'm going to take the collar right here. Alright, wow, it's bent. The moral of the story is that I was able to fix that and I didn't have to take it to the dealer. Yes, it cost me $16, but I'm not out the blower for a while, so I don't care. Short of probably the frame breaking or maybe something happening with the impeller or something, whatever does go bad on this, I will probably just fix it.